Hey guys, Kevin Correa here of Team Correa. Just wanted to check in and go over, do you need help with free credit repair? That means to fix your credit, get your score better, whatever it may be, or just help getting back on track. Guys, I have two agencies that can help you with free credit repair. One is Merrimack Valley Housing Partnership in Lowell. If you take their first-time buyer class, they do offer free credit counseling through their program. And the second one is New View out of Fitchburg, first-time buyer class as well. They offer free credit counseling prior to even taking the class. So you don't have to take the class. We have Lady Brenda over there who's awesome, and she can help you with that. Just reach out to me. You don't have to go to Fitchburg. You can do it all on Zoom with the Fitchburg one. And Lowell, I think maybe in